So the first thing we need to do is we need to get the computer to talk to this guy right here, because this guy talks to this guy, but the computer doesn't talk to this guy directly. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug this into the computer, and we'll go ahead and get that driver installed. Alright, well once we plug this in here, you can hear that there's an error. There's something not going on right, and that's because it doesn't have the current driver for this. What we're going to do is we're going to go to HobbyKing's page, and this is actually where, if you look up here, where our USB ASP programming device is. We're going to go down to where it says Files, and if you look right here, it says Windows 7 USB ASP driver. We're going to click on that. I'm going to hit Save As, and I'm going to put it on my desktop. Go ahead and click Desktop. I like putting drivers on my desktop just to download so it's easier for me to find, but you guys can put them in the downloads or documents wherever you want them. Now that's on my desktop, I'm going to go ahead and close this out. We're going to go up here, we're going to right click on it, we're going to extract all the documents, just like that. It's going to go to our desktop as well, and we have our driver. Now, because this isn't working properly, we're going to go down to our Windows sign here, we're going to go to Devices and Printers, click on that, and when we go down here, you're going to see something saying unspecified. You'll see this little guy here saying something's not working properly. We're going to go ahead and click on that. We're going to go ahead and go to Hardware. We're going to go to Properties. We're going to go to Change Settings. We're going to go to Update Driver. And now we're going to browse and point it towards the desktop, which we're on right now. Let's go ahead and hit Next. See what happens. Now it's going to install the driver. It's going to give us a warning because it's not licensed or verified by the publisher. We'll say just install it anyway. There we go. Windows has successfully updated your driver software. Close. Now, just to verify that this is all working properly, we'll go ahead and close this out. And if you see here, there's no more exclamation point. You can see this is working properly. Now our USB ASP control device is ready to communicate with our control board, which is fantastic. That's all we want.